Hello, this is my Module 7 video on the human resource frame of leadership. So after watching the video about Bowman and Deal's human resource frame, the big takeaway is that they view the organization as a family. People interact with each other with open communication. People are the most important aspect that we must work to serve and align the needs of all individuals. That kind of goes along the same lines as having a good fit. The principal's job is to, or the leader's job, whichever you want to refer to it as, is to make sure the team is a good fit and that everybody is working together with open communication so everybody benefits. I also love how they talked about a leader is a servant or a catalyst. This really aligns with what we did earlier this semester with our leadership profile. It reminded me of the two leadership styles I chose were servant leadership and democratic leadership. And both of those kind of go along with this human resource frame. They talked about open communication and everybody having a seat at the table, which is along the same lines as democratic leadership. And then they also talked about a leader as a servant. And I think that is kind of lines up with what I feel about myself is that students come first. My job is I'm here to serve them and to help them become better people and prepared for their future. So I kind of like that tie in there. This is my leadership structure that I made. Principal on top, and then I really struggled between putting students next or teachers next. I kept going back and forth time and time again over which should come next. Ultimately, I decided that students should come next because they are the reason we do what we do. Even though the principal probably works more directly with teachers, I put students next because they should be behind every decision we make. So while the principal is hiring teachers and paras and that kind of stuff and training teachers, it's all for the students, and the students are the most important in my mind, which kind of goes along with the servant leadership theory that I chose. Underneath that, I have teachers, since teachers work most directly with students on a daily basis, and then they're the ones providing the service to the students. And then underneath that, I have paras and parents. It could be argued that all three of those should be lateral, all three of them together. It was kind of hard. I ended up putting paras and parents directly below teachers, but I could see it to where they should all three be the same as well. Paras are awesome, and they help serve our students as well. And parents, we definitely need their support from home and practicing skills at home, teaching a good work ethic to students and helping them love school and all that kind of stuff. Underneath that, I have office staff, custodians, and cooks. All of them are super important to help our school run on a daily basis. The office staff interacts with students a lot, so I have them a little bit higher. Custodians and cooks, we would be lost without them. They help provide nutritious meals for our students, make sure everything's working, and help our day flow smoothly. Sorry about that. And then on the bottom I have maintenance, community, and alumni, which those are all important parts of our community as well. This year I've been doing a lot of things to try to get community in my classroom, like having dentists come and speak to my kids about dental health and that kind of stuff. I think it's super important that all aspects of the community, alumni, all of those people are involved in our classrooms as well. So that is my leadership structure, and thank you for watching.